Welcome. Let's continue our exploration of the Texas Math Solution Support Center, which you can visit at carnegielearning.com/texas-help. Today, we'll dive deeper into the resources focused on learning individually. Before we start, I want to give you a moment to pause and write down some thoughts. What are some things you already know about learning individually? What is something you're wondering about, or something you want to learn more regarding learning individually? Don't worry about the L column right now. We'll talk about what we learned at the end of this video. The Texas Math Solution consists of both learning together and learning individually, and there are two main resources for learning individually, Mathia and Skills Practice. As we work with teachers all over Texas, we find a lot of common learning individually questions center on our digital learning platform, Mathia. I'll share a little bit more about Skills Practice later. Right now, let's check out some of the fantastic resources related to Mathia in the learning individually portion of our support center. There are numerous resources here to provide you with the information you need. For example, want to learn more about what makes Mathia so incredible? Check out What is Mathia? You'll learn all about it from short videos featuring one of our founders and cognitive scientists, Dr. Steve Ritter. Are you looking for a great tool for you and your students to highlight their accomplishments? Take a look at our Mathia progress trackers. Do you need some guidance to make the most of your teacher's toolkit? Check out the articles in the Teacher's Toolkit section, especially these frequently asked questions. There are also helpful hacks in the troubleshooting section. Do you want to use data to drive instruction? Matthew reports take that data and place it at your fingertips. You can download the report's user guide here, or click on Using Matthew Reports to explore more articles. How about some further insight into best practices for Matthew in your classroom? The implementation support section has some amazing suggestions. My favorites are the Cultivating a Blended Learning Approach and Matthew motivation strategies. You can also read more about utilizing skills practice, which I'll share more about in a moment. There's so much to explore, and we barely skim the surface. Now, as cool as Mathia is, sometimes teachers need just a few problems to help students sharpen their skills. So let's chat briefly about our other learning individually resource, Skills Practice. Our TEKS-aligned skills practice is organized by topic for each course to align with the student lessons, and it gives students opportunities for additional practice. Each section consists of one or more problem sets that are aligned to the TEKS within the lesson or topic. For a day where the emphasis is on learning individually, you might consider which problem sets will be most important for students to work on. Rather than giving the entire skills practice to everyone, you may want to assign different problem sets to different groups of students to differentiate based on their individual needs. Other ways to incorporate skills practice may include using it as a warm-up or exit ticket, as part of station rotations or small group instruction, or even as a game to target those specific skills. I'm sure that I've given you a lot to consider. So now, what is something you've learned regarding learning individually and the resources on the Support Center? Find a colleague or someone else you can share your new learning with. And keep learning more as you continue to explore the resources on the Support Center. Don't forget, we're here to help. You can reach out via one of the emails on the screen or visit the Texas Math Solution Support Center at carnegielearning.com/texas-help. Thank you.